Hey guys, it's FanaticGuide, and today I'm going to show you how to install a Nintendo Switch game without Wi-Fi. And with this, I have a Nintendo Switch, obviously, and Super Mario Odyssey. And to do this, all you need to do is go into Options, and obviously, as you saw, this is connected to internet, and you can see that right there. It is connected. So I'd recommend putting it into airplane mode to have it not connect to Wi-Fi. So when it's in airplane mode, it'll be disconnected from either Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or NFC. You can customize that so two of the three features either Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or NFC. Two of those three things can be on, but not all of them. So I can have Bluetooth or NFC on, Bluetooth or Wi-Fi on, or Wi-Fi or NFC. But in this case, we want Wi-Fi off. And obviously, this is not a video on airplane mode. This is a video on how to install a Nintendo Switch game without Wi-Fi. And now we need to go back home. And now we'll take the game, open it up, take out the game cartridge, and put it in. Oops, I haven't done one of these in a long time. So it goes in just like that, and then it pops up. And next, all we do is hit the A button, select the user, and we are in. And being that my Joy-Cons are not detached at the moment, I'm going to go with this. But anyway, if you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, then please make sure to rate, comment, and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you next time.